Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Shalimar, or over Fort Walton Beach, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Destin, West Choctawhatchee Bay, East Pass at Destin, Mid-Bay Bridge, Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef and Okaloosa Pier. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: western Choctawhatchee Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.